now that you've inserted your image, all you have to do is go into scale plane XY, scale that until it fits into whatever the size of your keycap is. So just kind of fiddle around with it until it looks about right. And then once you do that, click OK. Now you have your image here. So click this, not that, this, and just extrude it or press and pull by about 5mm. That's about right for me. And then you go into your bodies, no, not bodies, sketches, and select your image. So just select all of it, and then I'll make sure you don't select that. So select all of it, except for the bits that you don't want extruded. So I'm going to click all the empty spaces I need. This might take a second. And then just press and pull all the spaces that you actually need to be filled in with an image. Now that we've done that, we're just going to create another sketch. And this one is just going to be the outline. So just the same size as your keycap. Okay, now you have your keyboard switch. Well, it's not quite a keyboard switch, it's just a 2D plane. So you just go and export that. There's another tutorial on that if you want to look at that, but most of you should be able to do that just fine. Now that you've gone ahead and loaded it in your software, you just want to try and get it to be just on your keycap. Make sure it's the right size of your actual keycaps, or else it just won't work. And then just make it so that it's roughly the right size. And that looks just about right. So we're going to print that, and I'll show you guys the results. So this is how it turned out on my keyboard, and it looks way better than I expected. Like, you can immediately tell what it is. I'll let the comments say who it is, but that turned out like a million times better than I thought it was, so success!